I went to school in the, I don't remember how to get there anymore. I wouldn't remember. But it was the first people's elementary school in Neukölln. And in the first grade, was it the first grade? In the first grade, we still folded our hands, and we sang, or no, we said a little prayer for the Fuhrer, actually. Gib zu seinem schweren Werke unserem Führer Kraft und Stärke. That's the only thing I remember, and I'll translate it. Give our Führer, for his heavy labor, much strength and power. And, I had no idea who this was at that time. You just say what the teacher tells you to say. Right?